ready. Can you check if the other side is ready? Check. Okay, add oil from this side so that. So viewers, this is Elimu Bora, and we are doing, this is part of practical, and we are doing it with grades 5, and today they are cooking chapati. So this is now the showcase of what they are doing, and these are some of the things that we are doing in at Elimu Bora. So being that it is CBC, and CBC is child learner centered, and that's why they are doing it alone. And they are enjoying, as you can see. They are enjoying. So can you go us for another one, Ibo? My work here is just to guide them, but not to tell them what to do. So they know what they are doing. I think as you can see, they are following the right procedures, the right steps of cooking chapati.